Hi guys, we're live again. We are hitting a lot of lag. It's raining really strong outside and it's maybe causing some internet problems. I am not sure. Hi guys, we're live again. We are hitting. Apparently, I do have some lag. I'm trying to hear myself on a, another phone. However, anyways, let's continue where we left off. Bitcoin. Uh, apparently, the feeling that we had earlier on was right, or the article that we were reading was right, and it seems to support that the investors are seeking refuge in Bitcoin to hide from the trade war between China and the U.S., stating that Bitcoin appears to be acting as a safe haven. Now, what do you guys think? Do you guys think Bitcoin is being used as a safe haven, as a store of value for for the people that are not happy with what the market situation is happening right now, with the markets going down and then Bitcoin going up? Do you guys believe this is related, or do you guys think it's different incidents? Now, that's all the news we found regarding Bitcoin, and apparently we're hitting really strong lag again. I can't. Man, this is weird. I'm in green, and then it goes straight down to red, which means lag, and then it goes really high into the green, and then it goes crazily down into the red again. I mean, yeah, sorry, we're trying to make this stream happen. This is the third time we come back. We're gonna look really quick at the Bitcoin chart to see what the price is doing. And as we can see, price of Bitcoin broke out of this up sloping channel we had charted. Now it's going back down into it. Price hasn't closed yet. We still have an hour and 9 minutes left. So price could go out and close outside of this upsloping trend line. However, we did hit that resistance we had traced at 11,928, and we also hit the farthest resistance on the downsloping channel from the equidistant channels. Now on to Ethereum. We didn't find any news regarding Ethereum, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go straight into the chart, and for Ethereum, we can see we're still within that upsloping trend line we had charted earlier. We went above the midline, touched the top part of the trend line, got rejected, and basically went down a little bit, and now we're under that midline. We could again go up. Like we said, we still have an hour and 8 minutes left on this candle. So let's see what happens. Now on to Ripple news. SBI Holdings is launching BCT Trade Pro, which is an exchange service for virtual currency. And as we know, SBI Holdings is a Ripple partner. SBI Holdings stated that from July 31st, they were unveiling the new virtual currency physical exchange service named BCT Trade Pro with virtual currency exchange system. Now, the company also revealed that they're going to be listing 3 trading pairs, which is going to be the Bitcoin to Japanese yen, Ethereum to the yen, and XRP to the yen. And they said we're going to list more in the future. Now, SBI Trading has stated that unlike their BCT Trade offering, which is a sales point system, the Pro version finishes a sales agreement between the customer and the entity for cash digital currency when it is promised by rendering and sell and bid prices per virtual currency. Now, the article also mentions that MoneyTap, which happens to be the sister firm of SBI Holdings, has announced its decision to implement an upgrade as it has received investment from as many as 5 prominent banks. Apparently, Ripple's interested on the growth that MoneyTap has had, and MoneyTap will consider an investment from Ripple to strengthen the technical cooperation as well as initiatives promoting global remittances. Now, do you guys believe this could be the next corridor for Ripple? I think so. I mean, if they're really talking about being the next corridor for remittances, then Ripple is already set up because SBI Holding, they already have the map done with the path traced with SBI Holdings, right? So it's just a matter that they have to take this this document that already signed and then change the data and have this new guy sign. If they want to come on board, it could be really easy as they're both sibling companies. Now onto the XRP chart. We can see that XRP is still within this downtrend. It broke out of this resistance we had traced, and it touched this up resistance of the downtrend, and then it started to bounce back down. And apparently, it's not the only coin that's doing so. Green candle and then followed by four red candles. We're gonna see that also in other coins. However, let's jump into the Litecoin news. And the halving day was today, so all the rewards for the miners were halved, and that's in line with the price increase ahead of the anticipated halving event. The hash rate computing on Litecoin network and the mining difficulty also both increased. Now, the halving will probably have a negative impact on the participation of miners, like we said yesterday, and that's mainly because several of the widely used Litecoin mining devices will now have a tough time generating enough Litecoin to offset electricity costs. Now, in other news, if you like futures, you're in good luck because BTC, a currency and futures trading platform, has added Litecoin futures trading to its platform. So if you're into futures and Litecoin futures, then you're in luck. Go get some. Let's look real quick at the Litecoin chart. And as we can see, Litecoin is also within this downtrend. It falsely broke out to fall back in. And like we see with Ripple, a large green candle followed by four red candles. So it's following what the other altcoins are doing today. And we're going to see that pattern repeat also on BNB. And going on to BNB news, or Binance, Binance Chain has implemented a hard fork. The team of the exchange announced that it was successful in implementing the hard fork on the mainnet of Binance Chain, and the team claims that the fork was needed to add more functions and make the network more stable. Also, implementing the changes improves the synchronization process and the mechanism for the transaction signature. I've been using Binance and I have not had any problems with the stability of the network and the transaction signature. So, have you guys have any problems with that? If you have or not, comment below. And going on to Binance chart real quick. As we can see, Binance still within this downtrend we've mapped. Apparently wedge now, and it's respecting this top line resistance we had traced. Touched it a couple times, was rejected. However, we're seeing a lot of indecision in the market with the wicks of the candles being so large to both sides and the body so small. But it, again, it's following what everyone else is doing. We have one large green candle followed by four red candles. We still have an hour and 8 minutes, an hour and 3 minutes left on this last candle. So we could see some green if the rest of the market starts feeling towards the upside. However, I believe we might close with a red candle today, or not today, but on this hourly candle or 4-hour candle. Now, guys, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the stream, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you believe that the information we provide it's of value to you and your friends, let them know we're here. Introduce them to the channel, and we're live every day. We're gonna try to be live every day at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 Central. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.